Okay guys, this is going to be a short and sweet video using a screen recorder right now to do this, so the audio might not be the best. But keep in mind, if you're looking for an intro for your videos, and me personally, I'm not very good at that type of stuff, you're going to be looking for sites out there that you can create a really cool intro. Now, this site here, Renderforest, does a lot of things besides creating intros. I want to use them just for intros. So renderforest.com, that's where you're going to go. And so we're just going to go, let's see, we'll just go get started. I'm going to walk you through it here. We want video. And we want to create. Now I had my eye on something already on here, but you can see it's set up, trending, newest, popular. You can sort them out that way. Or you can go straight to your intros and logos. And basically what I do is I said I want something kind of colorful because this is going to be for my vlogging site. So we will go to colorful logo, reveals. I'm going to scroll down. And it just depends what your videos are about. But just to give you a quick example, like let's say this one here. You can click on it, press play. This is 9 seconds. You can see it's really professional, very nice looking. But we're going to go to this one over here called Liquid Splash, which I personally like. Press play. This is right up my alley. I just really dig it. Alright, so that's what I want to use. So I'm going to go to create now. Wants your logo. So in this case here, I'm going to put my picture actually. Upload. Now I want to quickly mention, now that I've grabbed the picture, that in some cases it might even let you know it wants a PNG instead of like maybe a JPEG. So I downloaded this as a PNG. We're going to confirm. Maybe a tagline. Preview. We want to buy it. So now I've paid for everything, and it says your video, render will start soon. You can track your results in your video dashboard. So let's click on that. It says it's not found. Videos in queue. Alright, so I just hit the refresher button here. So what we want to do is download.